ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by watching my videos in full, sharing them, commenting, and go watch a playlist or two. Activating the watercolors with my pipette of water before I then do a wet into wet technique for the background, and I'm just wetting it lightly, and then I'm going in with some purpley blue and red and basically all the colours to do a lovely movement background. And then off camera, this is what I completed using my Prismacolor pencils. I'll be catching you guys tomorrow for more Funtober art. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.